Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing a secret app store that will give you access to movies, TV shows, utilities, and a whole lot more. Grab your Firestick remote and let's dive in. To complete this installation, you will need the download application, which you can get from the Amazon App Store. So what we will do is just move across to Find, click on Search, and enter in Downloader. So as soon as you see it in the list, you can select it. This is the application we are after. Okay, it's been updated, so click OK. And obviously you click again to begin the download. I already have it installed. Once it is installed, go back to the main menu, as we need to amend a setting. Move across to settings and go to My Fire TV. Here we need to amend the setting in developer options. If you do not see this, however, no issue, just highlight about and click. And here above on Fire TV, if you just click the select button 7 times, then you will get the message at the bottom that you are now a developer, and that will enable the developer options. So moving back, just select developer options, make sure ADB debugging is on, move down to install unknown apps, and just ensure that downloader is on. Okay, so back to the main menu. Now that we have downloader installed, we can install the secret app. So if we open up downloader, just select the hash or the URL bar. I'll select the hash, just easier to enter in the code. And the short code is 234753. Okay, so then we just click install, and instead of clicking open, we click done, and then you can delete the files as they are no longer required. Okay, and that's the secret app installed. Once the app is installed, we just need to amend the setting. So we move across to settings, select My Fire TV, developer options, install unknown apps, and we just need to make sure that this is on. Before you launch the app, I recommend that you launch a VPN. In my case, I have NordVPN, which I highly recommend. This will keep you secure and block your ISP from monitoring your activity. You can also utilize the link in the pinned comment and description for a great deal. It is a no-brainer to sign up, as NordVPN also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not happy with the service. As you can see, my NordVPN connection is active. This is because I have enabled the auto connect, which you can do by going to settings and enabling auto connect here. So whenever you launch power on your Fire Stick, this will connect automatically. Right, so now we can launch the application. So we just go to the apps library and we can launch the application. So once it's launched, you won't see anything, as you need to add a library to access any applications or utilities. So on the screen, you'll see a library that you can enter to get you started. Once you enter that, you will have access to an array of movies, TV shows, and applications. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. If this has helped you out, please like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.